Okay, so I wanna present about uh, one of the chapter from book House on Mango Street, and the chapter title is Rice Sandwich. Okay, this chapter is explained to us the wish of the main character Esperanza to eat in the canteen. Esperanza has a belief if canteen is just not place for it, but it's for represent the, their social status. And in this presentation, I will use Cassie framework to explain to you how impactful this story, Scazia's settings, characterization, action, style, and also the ideas. Now, with this point, I want to explain to you how impactful this story to some issues such as poverty and identity. Okay, the first point is the setting. Uh, there are some sharp contrasts between Esperanza, how Esperanza looked the canteen and the reality. For Esperanza, canteen is for special kid because when she look at in the canteen, she she looked the child that eating in the canteen is use some key on their neck, and also there are uh, most Im- most important setting is when the superior sister is told to Esperanza to point her house. And when Esperanza point her house, she realized that if she is live in the poor and the bad environment. Okay, there the analytic for the setting, and we jumping into the characterization. Okay, in the characterization is Esperanza is uh, want to accept in the society. This context is the canteen. Uh, Even she told to her mother if she has anemic issues on her hand to convince her mother. And Esperanza is want to he feel like he's special, and he want to societies to see her is as a special. But the reality is the Esperanza is very weak. And the other hand, when the sister told Esperanza to point her house, there are some like judgment from the society or from the sister. And uh, in at not and it's like to realize if Esperanza, who are you, and know your place. Like it makes Esperanza realize if they are she is from the poor family and cannot be mm, accept on every place. And I think for the characterization at the first is Esperanza is very optimist if she can accept to the society and she is special. But when the tragedy that mm, the sister told Esperanza to point her house, the characterization of the Esperanza is changed, and she start to realize if she's from the poor, and she must to realize if not all of his wish will be appear or occurs in the reality. Okay, the next point is about the action and the style. Uh, the action is when Esperanza finally enters the canteen, but it's like only hello victory. The style of this chapter is is defined by symbol rice sandwich. Rice sandwich is typical of American breakfast or no, I mean American lunch or American food that usually filling by meat. But in this story, the meat is changed into the rice. It's represent about the internal condition of Esperanza family cannot give her meat because meat is like uh, more expensive than rice. So it represent if the Esperanza family is poor and Esperanza is come from poor family, and the writer using some imaginary at the end describing if the bread is greasy and the rice is cold. This imaginary represent Esperanza internal state, like her dream is become or thrown into cold and unappealing. And for the action is it's very deep because it's very because from the simple food like sandwich can become a big judgment or big representing about in Esperanza internal on herself and to the her family. And the next is the ideas or the themes of this chapter. The central idea of the central theme is in this story is about poverty. Esperanza can learn if cannot be she cannot she cannot always accept on the society. Even she can enter the canteen and bring the sandwich. Her address is divine. Her society, her appearance or the eyes on her society. This chapter is illustrate a loss of innocence, as Esperanza realized that being a special in place of privilege comes with a price of public humiliation. And in conclusion, uh, it's told us about sad story about about some issues like identity and poverty, like when Esperanza must point her house and also the sandwich it's represent about uh, the simple sandwich it can be represent about her condition, her self condition, and her family condition, and the at the end, if as even when Esperanza can eat and also uh, go into the canteen, but he eat while crying because uh, the society already know if Esperanza is become from poor family, and the food that her bring is also represent if Esperanza is from a poor family, and this story teach us if we cannot uh, hide our identity and our condition to the society, and because when we hide that it will make more shame because it just pending from bigger issues when we just hide it from the society or from the outside. And I think uh, this this chapter is the big or the main impact is we need to realize where we come from and who we are. uh, Better if we just come to place that we got respect, not just the uh, place we want to, like if we doesn't get respect from that place, we can just go and we go to the place that uh, give respect to us. And this is a very important lesson for us, that a good place a good place for me, a good place for uh, a place that mm, for me good for for us good is not really good for us. I mean like that. And I think only that can I explain to you and I share to you. And I think it's enough. Thank you for listening, and bye bye.